Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to change account in Cursor AI. If you're using Cursor AI and need to switch to a different account, the process is fairly simple once you know where the account settings are located. Changing accounts can be useful if you're managing multiple projects, switching between personal and work accounts, or troubleshooting access issues. To begin, open the Cursor AI application on your computer. Cursor is a code editor that integrates artificial intelligence tools directly into the development environment, making it easier to write, edit, and understand code. Once the application is open, look toward the top right corner of the interface. This is usually where your settings icon appears. In this menu, you should see options related to your current account, such as account settings, subscription information, or sign out options. To change accounts, select Log Out. This will log you out of the currently active account in Cursor AI. After signing out, the application will return to the login screen. Here, we're going to click on Cancel because we want a different account to sign in. So it takes you to their official website where you can sign in again. Click on the Sign In button on the top right corner. From here, you can sign in again using a different account. You can continue with Google, GitHub, or an Apple account. Enter the credentials for the account you want to use and complete the sign-in process. Once you're logged in, Cursor will reload your workspace and connect the editor to the new account. At this point, your AI usage, settings, and account-specific features will now be linked to the newly signed-in account. If you're using Cursor across multiple devices, remember that switching accounts only affects the device you're currently using. Other devices may remain logged into the previous account until you manually sign out there as well. It's also a good idea to verify your account after signing in by opening the account menu again and confirming that the correct email or username appears. This ensures that any AI usage, subscription access, or project settings are connected to the correct account. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.